Okay, so when you open up Flash, you want to create new ActionScript 3.0. You can see we've got our scene 1, it's untitled at the moment, and if you want to, you can zoom in up here 100% to 200%, so it's a bit clearer. We have so this is the scene. This is the scene 1. You can have multiple scenes, but we're just going to focus on the layout for this tutorial. And you've got layers here. A bit like Photoshop, you can have multiple layers with different things on them. You can lock the layer. You can make it visible and invisible. There's nothing on there, so you can't really see it right now. And down here we've got the timeline. So we've got each little frame here, and you animate different frames. It's also set automatically on 24 frames per second. So if I go to 24 here, that's 1 second. So we can change that. Usually we'll go to 12. 24 is really fast. Up here we have the tools. Now if you can't see your tools, you just go into Window and find Tools here. And you can drag the corner to make it more narrow or thick, whatever you like. We'll just move that to the side. We also have Library and Properties. If you don't want your stage to be white, you can change the color here. Also, you can change the size, but we're just going to leave it whatever the default is right now. And Library again here. And again, if you can't see any of these, just go into your window and you can see Properties here and Library here. Have a play around with the shapes and the tools. So we've got a square. You can see the color that it is based on the fill and the stroke color, and you can change those. So circle, hexagon, and using the black arrow, you can move these around. Notice if I just click on the circle here and move it, the outline's left behind. So if you want the whole thing, you can double click or draw a shape around what you want to move. Alright, so we're not going to animate anything yet. This is just the layout.